In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use Leonardo AI in Discord. So if you haven't created an account yet, step one, all you have to do is to go to any web browser and then type Leonardo AI. And this time you have to sign up or create your own account. Step two, tap create an account. And here you have choices like you can create account using your Google account, or we have also option here like through Microsoft and Apple. So I have already my account, so this is what it looks like. Step three, in order for you to connect your Leonardo AI to Discord, you just have to go to any browser again and then type Leonardo AI Discord. Step four, once you click this one, something will pop up like this. And all you have to do is just simply enter display name, click this one, and then you have to pass this one. Click I'm not a robot, and it will take you directly to your Discord application. So you have to enter your birthday, okay, and then after that, step five, after you enter some information here and click your language here, you can now simply use Leonardo AI in Discord. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.